Hi there guys, and welcome. As you've seen in the last couple of videos, I've been taking the dash out and cutting it and painting it, and I'm very pleased with how it's coming out. The colour is absolutely awesome. It looks really nice. I don't know if the camera's gonna do justice, but and for the time being I've just placed the bit of wood on the top. This isn't the wood I'm actually going to be having on the top, but it's just a template. Just so I don't have to drive around with a big gaping hole, but that's in hand. Just need to wait till next week now to actually get that a bit more finalised. But I did forget to paint a few things. The glove box being one, that's still black, and the door cards. Well, before I actually paint the door cards, there's something I kind of want to do to it. Put my speaker in it. So what I'm thinking is I want to put the speaker about here. So I'm hoping, I can balance this. I'm hoping if I can put it about there, it's not going to foul on the dash in any way, same either side. And once it's sunk all the way back, when the window goes round, it should just about miss all of the speaker stuff. I thought doing something like this would be a little bit different rather than constantly dash, 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 dash. I can't really get on with it yet anyway, because like I said, I've got work and I don't really want to start tackling that job before I can sort of really get my teeth sunk into it. Now, before I do take all this lot off, as you know, I do have central locking, and here's the wiring for the central locking, but I'm obviously going to have another wire through here for the speakers. Now, I do know that you can get those, I don't quite know what they're called, those gator things. They go over and all the wires run through and they don't get pinched, because I have already pinched those wires and had to cut them back and fix them and whatnot. If any of you know what they are and where you can get them from, please jump over onto my Instagram, send me a message on there. Yet again, it's the same as my YouTube Prance project. Go over there, let me know, because I really need to get some. I can't seem to find them. I don't quite know what they're called either, so if you could help me, thank you very much. But now I've got that out of the way, I now need to roughly mark up where I want this to go, which is for that. Tell you what, awesome having this little cubby thing. You just put a little glass tub in there, never goes anywhere, and you can keep all your knick-knacky bits, which is ideal. Which for me is super glue, string and pencils apparently. And a lighter, even though I don't smoke, that doesn't count. I'm not 100% sure how well this is going to go. So the only real way of testing this out is to cut a big hole in my door card and hope for the best. So, I mean, is there a right way up for this? I'm guessing that's up. Put that about, let's say there, and then that hasn't worked, has it? Yeah, there we go. This door card is actually broken, to be fair, so it's not the end of the world. As you can see, where is it? Just there. Let me angle it better. He's actually got a lovely break just there. So it's not the end of the world if this doesn't go to plan, because I need a new door card anyway. So there is a nice big hole here. So I wonder, the top should be about in line with my thumb, which it roughly is. Well, I've been trying to be clever and find a way of putting this in and how to do it, and I've been drawing around a paint tin and whatnot, and I thought, why am I struggling so much? I've just cut these out, which is where the speaker sits in your dash, and that obviously fits perfectly. So why not just put that on and draw around it? Well done me. But I think I've roughly got it roughly where I want it. The only real way of finding out if it is or not is by taking it off and actually cutting it. That is exactly what we're going to do. well, that's how that now fits. I did have to go around and do a second cut and just do a little bit of reliefing around here, but that fits lovely. So all I basically need to do now, bolt it down. That side should be done. Actually looks quite cool. So in fact, we might test fit it in the van. That might be a better idea. Get that test fitted just to make sure that it's not going to foul on the dash or anything. So I think the way I've got it, in fact you'll see, I'm going to go test fit it in the van. So technically that would go just like that. And when it closes, oh no way. Well, you guys just went on a wild ride. Definitely broke my... definitely got some more cracks on my phone. Yay! Let's try that again without you falling over, shall we? Ah, dear. But... oh, that's alright actually. Once that's screwed in, that's going to be perfect. And... with the window winder on, will it foul? I think it is. Oh, that is. Well, that actually panned out a lot better than I thought. I'm going to go get some screws, probably bolt it in actually, and try and make this thing a little bit more permanent, and then run all the leads, and then do exactly the same on the other side. Actually quite pleased with how this is going. Fair play. And that means the dash can be a lot smoother. I don't have to have the vent holes for that. Maybe the sound will be better. I don't know. We'll figure out. But yeah, very pleased with that. So I'm going to go and get some hardware and probably get a drink because I'm a bit thirsty. Quite a warm day. Anyway, see you in a sec. Well, that turned out to be a pain. I ended up ripping out the wires for the central lock-in and just absolute joke. But I managed to get the wires down from the speaker, down through here and here. I haven't actually got any bolts for the speaker, but a couple of short, well, they're not short, a couple of screws, I'll cut them down. But I think that is that. So if we wire this in, 1, 2, and then so let's test this. Turn the tablet on. You gonna play or? Yes it does. And doesn't foul on the dash. Great success. Very pleased with that. So I need to do that on the other side. Hopefully that won't take as long because I already know what I'm doing. And all I need to do is cut the hole and run the wire through. Happy days! Well, I think what I'm going to do here, just to make my life even easier, because I really like that placement, is measure, that's 2 inches, and then, oh, there we go, that's 2 inches, so 2 inches by 2 inches, and that will give me the perfect place. Put that on that side. Two inches by 2 inches. Now if I mark a circle in the middle of that, that's exactly going to match the other side. So I'm going to do that. I've also broke my tape measure. There we go. So I'm going to make that a thing. Cut that out. So wish me luck. And then just like that, speakers in your door cards. I'm actually very impressed with this. Doesn't foul on the dash at all. Window winders don't touch it at all. And naturally a little bit louder because now they're there and not hidden away in the dash. And then when I do make a dash, it's going to be all nice and smooth, which will be the next couple of videos. Do need to paint these door cards soon, get them brown. I need to get some more of these or sand them right back because it's quite battered. Don't quite know what's on underneath it, so I need to repaint that again. Do the dash. And there's a little project in the back I need to do, and then there's other things I showed you at the beginning of the video. So yeah, a few bits and bobs to get on with. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to them, and hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm just trying to throw together a few videos sort of as I'm doing stuff, just show you. I mean, that was quite an easy little job, but as I'm doing stuff I might as well show you. But I'm gonna get myself all organized, go pick the kids up from school, probably play some football with my boy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you are liking this type of content where I'm just picking the camera up as I'm doing stuff, let me know. Give this video a nice big thumbs up and I will keep doing what I'm doing. But I'm going to get myself all cleaned up. I'm a little bit dirty, and white t-shirt and dirty hands don't mix. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching these videos. Thank you very much for being awesome, and take it easy.